Dai.
Hello friends, this is the channel Supreme Animals. Here we watch and discuss the most incredible and amazing shots from the world of animals. In this issue, birds, namely seagulls, are able to eat even rats entirely. Quite often these birds attack pigeons, and sometimes even kill and eat them. And here, a seagull killed a crow chick. Little ducklings also get it. For seagulls, it's a great snack. In the footage, the pigeon did not have time to fly away in time, and the bird of prey did its job. Also, these birds can even eat squirrels. This squirrel is definitely lucky. And here a seagull caught and swallowed a small squirrel. Eating a rat won't be a problem either. And this is how a bird of prey hunts snakes. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Only the most interesting, rare and amazing shots from the animal world will be on the channel.